Wuthering Waves, what a beautiful game. But unfortunately, ever since the Hyrule, I couldn't not notice the impact on performance that this game had. So today, let's take a look at how you can fix those issues if you have a mid to low range PC. Today, I'm using an RTX 2060 to test the benchmarks, and I'm going to show you the best settings for each individual one in order to get the best performance. First, let's start with the special effects quality. You're not losing a lot of FPS with this one, so personally I would just keep this on high. Next up is shadow quality. Let's take a look at this one. I recommend to keep this on medium. LOD bias. This one has minimal frames impact, so just keep to your liking. Capsule AO. The frame difference is not too high, but I would just keep this off because you can't really see the difference. Up next is volumetric fog. Minimal difference in FPS, around 3 or 4, but I would just keep this off because you really can't tell the difference. Let's now take a look at volumetric lighting. Once again, very low frames impact, so just adjust to your liking. Motion blur is up next. This one has like 1 to 2 FPS difference, so just keep whichever you like more. Now let's test the bloom difference. Crowd density. I highly recommend to keep this one on low. Interactive environment is also a big one. It's recommended to keep this off for better frame rate. Turn this setting off for better frame rate. Foliage density massively affects frame rate. You should keep this on low. Render distance is a very small difference but a very high cost. Just keep this on low. Now comes the biggest game changer, the super resolution quality. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You should be able to gain 15 to 20 FPS by doing these changes. You shouldn't have any issues outside of Lahairoi. And if you do have problems in Lahairoi, still just reduce the super resolution to quality and you should have 60 plus FPS.